Hello everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mongai Kehara and today we are in Machakos County. Behind me is a gated estate of more than 50 units, and as you can see the entrance is grand, and that one is telling you that there is a lot to talk about and a lot to see in this estate. Let's get started. From there, you can see that the whole estate is paved, the greenery is awesome, and the freshness of the air is on another level. As I said, we are in Machakos County, and this is one of the hottest counties around Nairobi. So if you are going to get very warm, you need to calm your nerves down in the swimming pool that is on the other side. That is not the only amenities that are in this estate. There is much more. They have a clubhouse, there is basketball and tennis court, there is kids play area, and each unit comes with a very big backyard for maximum pressure. What you can see right now is the phase 1 of the project. It's already sold out, and this is what the developer started with. On my far front, you have phase 2, which is still in progress, and there are some units that have been left for you. If you would want to purchase any of those units, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. In the meantime, I'll take you to the amenities area and we'll see what we have on that section. This is the amenities area, and as you can see right now we are at the swimming pool area. This is the kiddie pool. If you have some bigger kids, they can do their swimming here, and you as the parents and your friends can do the swimming pool in the deep end on the other side. On the far end of the clubhouse, that's where you have the kids play area. The clubhouse is behind me, and next to it you have the gym area. On my far front, that's where you have your basketball court and your tennis court. Each unit has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot like this one, and each unit has a print area of 260 square meters. The cost per unit is 22.4 million Kenya shillings, and I love it that the developer has so many payment plans. If you want to do cash, it is doable at 22.4. If you want to do a mortgage, it's 22.7 million Kenya shillings, and you can always do the installment plan, which many of you like, and you have a payment period of 1 year. Today, I'm very excited to be in such a beautiful unit. And I remember what some of you keep telling me, Mongai Kehara, you keep taking us to these beautiful estates and you can't afford even 1 unit. I know, lakini lazima tushinde tukiambiana ukweli. Anyway, on this side, as you can see, each unit is getting a 2-car parking, and from there, you have a walkway that will take you to the entrance of the unit. Let's continue. I'm loving the little modification on the entrance porch. It has been done very well. And on top of the entrance porch, you have a shared balcony of the 2 kids' bedroom that I'll show you later. On my far left, you have the SQ or the employee quarters. You have a small front yard on that side and a bigger front yard on this side. I like one thing about this estate. The developer has dug a borehole and he has created a water treatment plant just to make sure that the whole estate is green, the water is fresh, and you do not have to get the problem with the county council water. This yard is taking you to the rear side of the units. And as you can see, the water has maximum pressure. Let's get inside. This is an impressive entrance, and I love it that the developer made sure that the door is mahogany just for maximum strength. Next to the main door, you have the common washroom. You can call it the crook room, and it is big, substantial for any use, and it comes with the vanity on this side, and you have your WC on that other side. You're also getting a console table and a big mirror for you to just look at yourself. and congratulate yourself for buying such a beautiful unit. This staircase is taking you to the upper level. On my far front, where the videographer is, that's where you have the guest bedroom, and here you are at the living room of this unit. From there, you can agree with me that the unit has been done very well. I love the finishing. The color is blending very well with the whole interior design that has been done in this show house. The units that you'll buy will come empty, but if you want the developer to connect you with the interior designer to give you such a complete unit, it is always possible. From there, you can agree with me that the focus of this unit is on this side, and that is where you are supposed to do your TV. You are also getting this cabinetry for other electronics. I love it that the interior designer did not add a massive TV here, but instead he added this beautiful painting. I don't know the meaning, but I know it had a meaning anyway. The combination of the side lights, the mood lights, and the center lights is improving the look of this unit, especially at night. We have tried to make sure that the lights are on so that you can actually have a picture of what is going on. The living room is opening to the dining area, but before we see that, you can see that the unit is coming with the floor to ceiling windows that are also acting as the accesses to the rear side of the unit, where you have your private children's play area, or somewhere you can do a personal swimming pool or maybe a gazebo. On this other side of the unit, you have your dining area, and it is big enough to fit a 6-seater. Right now we have a 4-seater, and it is a substantial space for you to enjoy your meals. I love it that the dining area or the dining space is opening to the kitchen, and you have this separation that has been modified to act as a breakfast table. If you like enjoying your drink, you can use this space to act as your small bar area. Here you have a small map or a site plan of how the whole estate is going to be. From here, before we get to the kitchen, let's see the backyard, and then we will have an idea of how a 50 by 100 lot should feel like. There are several advantages of living in a gated estate, especially a big gated estate like this one. First, there is the whole management of the estate, which makes sure that the landscaping is done, the lights are working, the water, the swimming pool, everything is on the perfect and optimum working condition. That is one thing that you can miss, especially when you are living outside a gated estate like this one. From there, you are witnessing the expansiveness of this 8th lot of land, and here you can do so many things with this space. Even if you like doing some planting or small gardening, this space is more than enough. I'll take you back inside. On top up there, you have the primary balcony, and let me tell you, the views that you are getting from that space are just marvelous. From the backyard through the dining space, we are going to see what we have in the kitchen. As you can see, the space has been done very well. I like it that the developer was able to utilize all the print area that you are getting in the kitchen. If a kitchen does not exceed 20 square meters, adding an island is not a necessity. The space can be used maximally to give you a beautiful space like this one. On this side, you have your 5-burner cooktop. This one can be modified depending on how you want, and on top of it, you have your heat extractor. Next to that, you are getting some cabinetry, and here you have your other electronics. The quality is acceptable. What I love most about this kitchen is that you are getting these drawers, a set of drawers on this side, and you have another set on this side, just to make sure that you have a space for your crockery and your cutlery. On my far front, you have a space that has been reserved for a double door like this one. If you have a smaller fridge, the space is more than enough. Next to me, you have your sink area next to the window. I love it that you have some sockets on this side for your water dispenser and other electronics. On my left hand side, you have the pantry that comes with this kitchen. It is not the biggest, though it has been partitioned very well for all your dry foods. This kitchen gives you an access to the laundry area and the employee quarters. The laundry area is here. I love it that it has been done very well, and you are getting an industrial sink. Under it, you can do your washer, and on this other side, you can do your dryer. I love it that the developer left this space for the dirty laundry, or it is a space where you can wash your pets or your gumboots. On my far front, you have the employee quarters, and it is big enough for 2 employees. It has been done very well. I love it that it comes with a small kitchenette, and you have its bathroom on this side, and on the far end, you have a space for the employees to sleep. I'll take you back to the main unit. As I mentioned, this staircase is taking you to the upper level where you have the other 3 bedrooms and the prayer room. This is the guest bedroom. We will see that in a few minutes. But if you want to see the shorter version of this video, make sure you watch it in our Instagram, African Real Estate, or our TikTok. If you would want to purchase this unit, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. The guest bedroom is the smallest. It is here. Right now we have a 4x6 bed, which is big enough for 2 guests. I love that the room is big enough for you to add a side drawer on that side and another one on this side. On my far front, you have the guest closet, big enough for all the guests' clothing, and it is floor to ceiling. The quality is pristine, and you are getting 2 drawers here for the foldable clothes. This is the guest bathroom, and it is adapting a similar concept to most of the bathrooms that we will see in this unit. On this side you have a vanity, a WC is at the center, and on this side you have the showering area, which comes with a shower cubicle and a rain shower. Let's head upstairs. The supply of natural light in this unit is just on another level. Just look at the staircase. It has been done very well, and you do not need your bulbs on in any hour of the day. On this side you have a massive clock, and that one is improving the look of things around this area. You have a shared balcony, which is on my far front. And this balcony is giving you a very good view of the front yard and the phase 1 of this estate. This is the first bedroom. The second bedroom is on my left hand side, and on my far front you have the primary bedroom. Let's see this one first. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the guest bedroom that we saw on the lower level. I love it that it comes with a 5x6 bed, but the space is way bigger to fit a slightly bigger bed. As you can see, this bedroom is coming with 3 windows just to make sure that the natural light has been maximized. On my far front, you have the closet to this bedroom. It is a massive closet, and I love it that it is floor to almost ceiling. You still have some space up there for anything else that you would want to keep. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, done very well. You are getting the normal vanity that comes with all bathrooms in this unit. At the center, you have your water closet, and a shower cubicle is on my far left. As I mentioned, the second bedroom is here, but before we see that, this unit comes with a prayer room. This is a private, secluded place for you to speak with your God. So if you are a Muslim, a Buddhist, a Christian, or any other religion, you are invited to buy a unit in this estate. What I'm not very sure is if the atheists pray, but if they do, they are also welcome to purchase a unit here. At the entrance of the second bedroom, you have the second bathroom, and it is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in all the other bathrooms, and all the fixtures are standard and very well fixed. This is the bedroom area. You are getting a normal sized closet like the ones that we got in the other bedrooms. You have these massive windows for maximum natural light, and the space is big enough for a 6x6 bed. From here, I'm taking you directly to the primary bedroom, and that's where the magic happens. The owners of this unit will sleep there, and let me tell you, it is a place to dream for. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this bedroom. The space is big enough for a king-size bed or a queen-size bed. This is where you and your partner will sleep. People say that women like sleeping on the other side of the wall because they need a protector to sleep on this other side. I'm not very sure. It is just a fallacy. If you can confirm it or deny it, make sure you comment below. On this other side, you have some sockets and DSTV connection, and that denotes one thing, that this is where you can add your TV. Below here, you have a small couch that you can sit on, especially when you want to tie your shoes, or maybe you can use the couch for other co-curricular activities. This bedroom is opening to its balcony on this side, and on my far front you have the walk-in closet and the master bathroom. Let's see the view that we are getting from the balcony. Very, very interesting. From here, you can see that this estate is really beautiful, and the views that you are getting on the periphery is a bit of a mountainous region, and it is very green. On my far front, you can see an extension of Mombasa Road, and on my far left, you can see Machakos town. By the way, I just realized that there is a road next to this estate. Let me tell you, the sound deadening that the developer added in these units does not allow any noise to get in the unit. The mini walk-in closet is here. It is big enough for you and your partner, especially if you do not do a lot of shopping. You have some spaces for the hangable clothes. I like it that the closet has been partitioned very well, and you have some spaces which are on this side, and those are for your shoes. The primary bathroom is here, done very well. It is the biggest. It comes with the biggest vanity. You have your WC on this side, and you have some shelves here for your toiletries. On this side, you have a shower cubicle. It is big enough for 2 people, and as usual, it comes with a rain shower. And on the opposite side, we are also getting a bidet sprayer. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope that you have really enjoyed. Machakos is not very far. It is just 40 minutes from Nairobi CBD, and as you have seen, the units have been done very well. If you would want to buy any of them, make sure you call us in the number attached to the first comment. As always, my name has not changed. I am Mongai Kihara, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.